Hello viewers, welcome all to our new video. In this video, we learn about ChatGPT course, and particularly in this video, we learn about the different types of chatbots. So let's jump into the main video. So what is the different type of chatbots? There are different type of chatbots, each with their unique features, capabilities, and use cases. So now here are some of the most common types of chatbots. So first, rule-based chatbots. Rule-based chatbots follow a predefined set of rules and responses to interact with users. They use if-then statement to respond to their queries based on keywords or specific phrases. These chatbots have limited functionality and are only capable of providing predetermined answers to a fixed set of questions. Number 2, AI-based chatbots. AI-based chatbot use machine learning algorithms and natural language processing to understand and respond to user queries. They can understand the user's intent, context, and emotions, and provide personalized responses based on the user's input. These chatbots are more advanced and can learn and improve their responses over time. Number 3, hybrid chatbots. Hybrid chatbots combine rule-based and AI-based approaches to provide the best of both worlds. They use rules for answering simple questions and queries and use machine learning to handle more complex interactions. Voice-activated chatbots. Voice-activated chatbots use voice recognition technology to interact with user through voice commands. They are commonly used in smart speakers and home automation devices such as Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google's Assistant. Now, social media chatbots. So, social media chatbots interact with users through messaging platforms such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and WeChat. They can be used for customer support, sales, and marketing purposes. NLP chatbots or natural language processing chatbots. NLP chatbots use manual language processing to analyze the user input and generate appropriate response. They can understand and interpret user language, including colloquial expressions, synonyms, and context. Next, task-specific chatbots. Task-specific chatbots are designed for a specific purpose or industry. For example, a chatbot for a bank may be designed to provide account information, while a chatbot for a retailer may be designed to provide product information and purchase assistance. Overall, we can say the type of chatbot chosen depends on the use case and desired functionality. Rule-based chatbots are suitable for simple tasks, while AI-based chatbots are more suitable for complex interactions. Voice-activated chatbots are ideal for hands-free interactions, while social media chatbots are suited for messaging platforms. By understanding the different types of chatbots, businesses can choose the one the best meets their needs and provides the best experience for their user. So in summary, in this video, we learn about the different types of chatbots. In our next video, we learn about designing chatbot for optimal performance.